So today we're going to be moving some stuff because we got to get this place making some money, and behind me that is exactly what we need to do. We're going to clear this whole wall off. We already started over here on this section and just cleaning everything out, making it a little bit more presentable because we're going to store some boats over the winter to help kind of offset some of our costs. You can see right here this wall, there's just a bunch of stuff piled up all the way down to where that scissor lift is. All this stuff down here, which is the hearse and this little roadster we're keeping here, that's actually already somebody renting, so that's gonna stay. We need to remove this, so that's what we're getting into today. First customer in here. All right, the other day we were in here cleaning, a little time-lapse action. Got a new camera actually, it's a DJI, so let me know what you think about this. But next thing we need to do is get these. I guess they're semi sideboards or something? I don't know, but we got a whole stack of these things. We need to hurry up. Today is Saturday. It's getting cold out here too. So we got a couple people I think maybe coming by tomorrow. They're gonna do at least one boat. So we need to make sure we get all this cleaned up. Timmy's here. And we got the crazy kids in here. So let's get after it. Find where it's at. Koosh. William's dead. Flashlight?
No, you're good.
William said it was good, so we'll see. God.
I mean, it does have ports right here where you put keep your ports in.
Does it?
Yeah, that's how we do it at work. You can do it that way, too.
You think I
That's
do
how
it
you can do
right?
it.
Well, it's just that platform slid out right now. I don't know if my forks will be long.
Yeah.
I'm gonna bring your ports out and make 500.
You're clear. All right, kids. You're gonna have a little bumpage, so. Success.
Well, I'm headed back up to the building today, Sunday. As you seen on the thing, 12 degrees outside, so this will probably be an absolute blast. But I think Tim is coming up. I think we're gonna knock the rest of his stuff out. We're gonna put it in the little semi-trailer. But yeah, hopefully we get that, and then everything should be pretty cleaned out of there. So let's see what we can do. So we've got, like I said, we've got a lot of sweeping done and everything. This place is looking a lot better. We just got to move a couple things around, and I think we'll be looking pretty good. Alrighty, we got this one wrapped up. I think got all that moved out, so I'm thinking everything in here, the rest of the contents is gonna be what we're keeping. I'm not sure. I'm sure Tim will run through it one more time, but yeah, man, I am pooped. I gotta go in at 11 o'clock tonight, so man, it looks a lot better though. But thanks for sticking in here. I know these cleaning videos are maybe not the funnest, but it's just part of the grind. You got to get it done. So hopefully here before long we'll do some lighting and exciting stuff like that. But yeah, it's looking better already. See you guys on the next one.